So welcome to our channel. In today's video we're going to look at how to solve logarithmic equations. Okay, so they have given us to say solve log x base 10 plus log x plus 9 base 10 equal to 1. So solve, they mean that we're supposed to find the value of x. Okay, so how can we find the value of x? So for us to solve this question, we're going to use the one of the logarithmic laws, which states that when you have log AB, this is the same as you have log A plus log B. Okay, so this is the law that we're going to use. So when we look at the given question, this can be compared to this part. So when we have something like this, we have to change it to this form to simplify it, meaning that we're going to say log base 10, then we multiply x multiplied by x plus 9, which means that we're going to have x multiplied by x plus 9, then equal to 1. So here we have two logarithms, but we just get one log. Okay, base 10, even here we have base 10. That's why we're able to do this, because the bases are the same. Then after you do this, you now say log x times x, that is x squared, then plus x times 9, that is 9x, then equal to 1. So after you simplify it to this point, then you're now supposed to change this from logarithmic form to exponential form. So changing it to exponential form, we're going to say 10, which is the base, to the power 1, which is the number after the equal sign. So it's going to be 10 to the power 1, then equal to this part now, which is x squared plus 9x. So 10 to the power 1, that is 10, then equal to, we have x squared plus 9x. This can be written as x squared plus 9x minus 10, then equal to 0. So we see that we now have a quadratic function or equation. Okay, so what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to factorize this. If we're unable to factorize, we use the quadratic formula, or by completing the square, we'll be able to find the value of x. So let's try factorizing. Okay, so we get the coefficient here, which is the 1 multiplied by the constant, which is negative 10. We have negative 10. Then which two numbers can we multiply to have negative 10? When we add those two numbers, we get positive 9. So when we say 1 and 10, and 1 is supposed to be negative, when we multiply these two, we have negative 10. When we add the two numbers, we have positive 9, meaning that we use these two numbers. Okay, so where are we going to use them now? Where are we going to substitute these? We'll substitute them where there is 9x, meaning that we'll have x squared minus x plus 10x minus 10 equal to 0. So this one, we're not going to write it as 1, but we've written it as x, so that negative x plus 10x will have 9x. Then we pair the first two, we pair the last two. We now factorize these two pairs. So what is common here? We have x. So x into x squared, that is x, minus x into x, that is 1. Then here we have 10, positive 10 into 10x, that is x. Then 10 into negative 10, that is 1, then equal to 0. We see that x minus 1 is common. So say x minus 1, then x plus 10 equal to 0. then we equate each of these factors to 0. So when we equate x minus 1 to 0, we're having x equal to 1. Then when we equate x plus 10, we have x plus 10 equal to 0. We have x equal to negative 10. So these are the values of x after solving our given question.